from English to Hindi. Okay, we have some advanced settings here where we can enable stepwise video editing, AI, time sync, silent background. You must have seen content creators posting the same video but in different languages.
No, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
We'll be going into the
Oh my God!
మాకి ప్రదేశాన్ని ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయడానికి బిల్కుల్ సही ये पिरामिड लगभग 4000
No, they don't re-record everything. Neither do they hire different voiceovers for different languages. They are using AI. Welcome to the 1000 Days of No Code series, day 145. Generating the same content with different languages is a smart way to reach more people and go global. Today, we are going to explore Camb.AI, an AI dubbing tool that translates your videos into multiple languages with clean sync and speaker detection. Let's see how it goes. Head over to Camb.AI and click on try for free. And I will use sign up with Google. Lazy enough to be typing so many fields. So you can pick up your project, which is you want to dub, or do you want to do narration, or do you want to create stories. So you can see that we have used 0 credits out of 21 credits because we just created the account. So we have 21 credits available with the free plan. So we can go to begin dubbing and we need to upload the file. A maximum file it allows is 1024 MB. Max playback length is 5 minutes. This is probably in the free plan, and if we go with the paid plan, it will allow us longer videos. So we can also use a YouTube video link. So for that, I'm going to YouTube, and let me head over to, let's take this Ghibli image, which is of 3 minutes 39 seconds. So I'm going to take this particular video, come back over here and paste this link, right? Your team has 21 credits left. This is only enough to dub 3 minutes. The video chosen is longer than that. Okay, so it requires just 3 minutes of video. Let's get something a bit smaller. So I'll use the upload file option to upload the file which is under 3 minutes video. So I've uploaded the video and it is getting uploaded now. This is of 2 minutes 51 seconds. And this is the first video that we released in this 1000 days challenge. And we are going to change this one from English to Hindi. Okay, we have some advanced settings here where we can enable stepwise video editing, AI, time sync, silent background, and so on and so forth. We will not change anything. We will just change the language from English to Hindi. So I'll click on begin dubbing project. So it will take time. Firstly, it will upload the video that we gave it. Then it will set up the project, and then translating will happen. Then we have generating voiceovers, and finally we will have generating final output. So altogether it might take about 3 to 4 minutes.
नमस्कार सभी को, मैं रितेश हूँ और आज मैं कुछ बहुत बड़ा शुरू कर रहा हूँ। 1000 दिनों का नो कोड चैलेंज। हाँ, आपने सही सुना, 1000 दिनों का नो कोड चैलेंज। यह सब सीखने के बारे में है, साथ मिलकर निर्माण करना और सीमाओं को पार करना। अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं इतना बड़ा चैलेंज क्यों ले रहा हूँ। तो पिछले महीने मैं NAS समिट मुंबई गया था और वहाँ मुझे नास्तिक किन्नो सर से मिलने का मौका मिला। उन्होंने अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताया, जहाँ उन्होंने खुद के लिए एक वीडियो बनाने का गोल सेट किया, हर एक दिन 1000 दिनों तक।
The voiceover quality is actually pretty good considering this is a free tool, and the sync is surprisingly accurate. No weird delays or mismatched timings. The processing might take a few minutes depending on the length of your video. And with just one tool, we were able to dub it in multiple languages of our choice. No voice artist, no editing headaches, just a powerful AI doing the heavy lifting for us. You can combine this with other platforms that we have explored like Protagon or Play HD, and to create content that can travel across borders and languages. So do give it a try and share it with that friend who is creating content only in one language. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next one.